Okay, let's learn about directional brushstrokes. Also, I completely forgot to turn on my camera a couple minutes ago, so you'll see some of the brushstrokes that I already started here. So what are directional brushstrokes? Well, they're essentially repeated brushstrokes that move your eye in a particular direction when you're looking at a painting. These brushstrokes encourage you to follow them, so you're not just looking at subject matter, the subject matter is taking you somewhere. Directional brushstrokes are incredibly helpful if you're trying to insinuate movement, create perspective, or to simply liven up a flat painting. They can also help you portray certain subject matter, such as waves in the ocean, for example. So as you can see here, you can do horizontal, vertical, diagonal, wavy, curved, long, short, so many different types of directional brushstrokes. You can add less detail for items in your painting that are farther away or less important, and then stronger, more detailed brushstrokes for focal points or items closer to the forefront of the painting. Basically, the key is to repeat in a particular direction so that you create that movement. And as I mentioned, directional brushstrokes can help the audience identify the focal points in your paintings. So here I'm sketching a quick cartoony mountain scene, and I want my highway to be one of the focal points. So I will give the highway those brushstrokes that go in a direction towards the mountain, and you can see that it's driving you towards the mountain. And then for the grass on the sides of the highway, I want it to kind of look like rolling hills that are moving away from the highway. And this is a good example. If I did brushstrokes that were, similar to the highway, and I did those on the grass on the outside areas, you would probably think it was just like a 10-lane highway instead of a highway and then hills. You wouldn't be able to tell the difference. So for the water, I'll add some long, wavy, horizontal lines. And then for the mountain, I'll have some sharp curved lines to show the height, and it kind of helps your eye move upwards towards the mountain peaks. All right, well, that was a quick overview of directional brushstrokes.